Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, I've got a bad cough. So bad. Babe, now, babe. Not the rubbish. Oh, gosh. Throwing it all in the field. Can't have that, babe. Come on. No, babe. Can't have all that rubbish. Come on. Someone's left a pizza on the floor. Aww. Baby. Oh. I always do that. No, baby. Hey. You're looking cute, aren't you? Hey, you're looking cute. Come on. Hi, babe. Oh, you're there. Come on. Oh, sorry about my cough. It must be annoying. Such a bad one. It's when it gets cold, it starts up again. Ooh. Hi, babe. I don't know, what was it? So loud, them bikes. He's having a wee. He's having a wee. If anyone's watching, hello. And thank you so much. If you're actually watching, it's 10 minutes in now. I've got 225 subscribers now. Amen. And I did a short on Jesus, my favourite one. Like, he's holding a lamb. I think that's my favourite one so far. But the favourite short that I've had so far, the one that I've made, you know, a little short video, is where I went into a little church, and the church is hardly ever open, and so it's really empty. There's no one in there. And the man was so kind. He's like, you know, just go and wander around. And I just like stood at the bit where the man reads the Bible, and there's this really old Bible in there, and it was huge as well. Like, on the camera you can't tell, but the Bible was massive. And I just stood in front of the Bible and then like panned in a 360 with the phone, you know, camera, just did a 360 around this pillar thing, and wrote the words, the word stands forever. That's the most favourite one so far. But my personal favourite is definitely the one with Jesus and the holding the lamb, because I think that's so special. Yeah, check out my shorts if you want to, because I try and put some good ones out. I'm just trying to get the word into people's heads. That's what I'm trying to do, because not many people know the word, and I think once you start to read the word, it goes in a bit. And my friend Lucy, she said it makes her feel peaceful, and I think it does as well. It's magical, isn't it? Those words are magical, and I think they're healing. But yeah, that's my favourite short so far, and that's my most favourite short from everyone else. I've also got a short where I went to a field and all the sheep came up to me. I thought that was great. They're just so cute. And hope you've all had a lovely holiday, Christmas holiday, well, time off. And I've got to get the testimonies back on. I've got to do those. I just haven't had time. Well, I think it's because I haven't been feeling very well, this little flu, but I haven't been on the treadmill or anything. Oh, I must get on with it. I'll try again tomorrow. But if you are still watching, thank you so much. And I haven't got my torch on either. It's just one of them days again. I think it's the aftermath of this little bug. And I haven't got their lights on or anything. You're there, babe, aren't you? My cat's down there, look. Come on. It's amazing how their eyes light up, isn't it? Look at that. Hey, babe. It's a lovely little cat. And Bella messes around. But you can't see very well, look. It's too dark. There you go. Yeah, so thank you so much if you're still listening, and be of good cheer. Jesus has already won. He's already overcome. We've got to keep battling through, but we know he's already won. I hope that helps someone, because it definitely helps me. Like when I'm battling through, I'm like, hang on, Jesus has already won. He's overcome the world. Like, he's literally overcome it. So if he can overcome the world, really, what's there to worry about? Because he's already done it. No, I cling on to that. But yeah, 225 subscribers. Thank you. Thank you so much. And amen to whoever's listening. I pray whatever you're going through, you cling on to Jesus and cling on to the word, and you'll get through it. Okay then, I'll just let my cat come down. Come on, kitty. All right, Bella, I'll do it with you, Bella. Come here, Bella. My little Bella. Bella. Here's my Bella. You're a little fidget, aren't you, Bella? Little fidget. Little fidget. Oh, there's my little kitty. My little kitty. Okay, amen everybody. Take care, bye.